So you have an aunt who's a mermaid?
Did you say you have an aunt who's a mermaid?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah.
Do they tell the other kids at school about her?
Yeah.
And what do they say?
Mermaids are not real.
And what do you say?
They are.
And and then do they believe you?
No.
And what do you say to them?
They are real. Did they keep saying they are not real?
But what's the truth?
My aunt is real.
So mermaids must be real?
Yeah.
And what about your aunt's dog?
Turned into a mermaid. Dolphin?
A dolphin. What's the dog's name? Isabella.
Isabella.
What's your aunt's name?
Cece?
Yeah. And Aunt Cece's your mermaid aunt?
Yeah.
Are any other relatives mermaids?
What?
Is anybody else in our family a mermaid?
No.
Just Aunt Cece?
Yeah, just Aunt Cece.
Okay. Thanks.